Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show or hide icons in Taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please proceed to the left side of that and locate with the option called personalization. And once you have bring up the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and locate with taskbar, which is next to start. So please click on it and you will be able to see a window like this, where here you need to locate for other system tray icons. So in order to hide a specific icon at the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the switch option here where you can turn off or where you can turn on. So if you would like to hide a specific icon here, all you need to do is you need to turn it off. And if you would like to show it at the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to turn on. Okay, let's say for example, you would like to hide the icon menu. It will be hidden here, and if you would like to show it, it will be showing here. Okay, where we can see this icon menu, hidden icon menu in our taskbar. So all you need to do is you need to go with the switch option here, aligning to that specific icon and either turn on or turn off to show or hide a specific icon in your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay, so this is good, especially if you would like to access an icon or an application easily at the taskbar. You can simply turn on it to show, or if you won't like it to show at the taskbar, you can turn it off. So that's it. Once you're satisfied, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.